So here we're at Seaside Jumps with Ross. His bike, my bike. He finally got his bike back from his mom. I didn't take a video that day because we were building this.
It was pouring rain.
And it was pouring rain. We were building all these. We built this. We call it the coffin. Let's go show him, Ross.
Huh?
Coffin. So, yeah, the 2.0. You've seen the coffin before, and then you see it with the awesome upgrades. With people lay in that little square right there. We launch.
Go back to kindergarten.
We launch off here. It's like steep, and we fly. We land about right there, and yeah, he'll demonstrate. So, go back up here. No, I'm not laying down in it. So this is demonstrate of how the coffin, you jump the coffin. Well, right now, I don't want to land it, and I don't think he wants to land it. Leave! Yesterday we found an e-vape over there. We didn't smoke it. Still have it in my room. Yay, go Ross! So yeah, that's just about it. That's how we normally hit jumps. I mean, he landed right there. He almost went in the hole. My God, guys. He landed right...
Dad, I landed sideways.
You landed right here, Ross.
I landed sideways.
See his fucking tire marks. I said fracking tire marks, so.
I was going really slow, and then I tried to jump, and then I landed sideways.
Alright guys, like, subscribe, goodbye!